Hey guys! So, in May, my friends and I planned a little last minute trip to Maui before we had to go on a study abroad trip. And here's a short little silent vlog of my time in Maui. Let's get right into it.
We are next for departure.
I'm at the aquarium!
Leave anytime during the show. The exit will be on your right hand side.
Boys, like loser boys, but also like not.
Are we supposed to open?
What?
Small bite?
Oh!
What? Wanna try again? Oh, is that not a good face?
Oh! I don't like pineapple.
You need a big bite. It needs to fill your mouth. The pineapple does not taste like pineapple.
What does it taste like?
I don't know.
I'm scared.
Okay, here, a little bit. Okay.
Yes, it does.
There you
Ew.
go, chaser.
What the hell? You
Chaser.
liar.
In my opinion, it
It's
doesn't.
very flavorless.
Favoriteless?
Like it's very like subtle. It's kind of just like a candy, like gummy, like not gummy, like gummy. You know what I mean? Like it reminds me of like Hubba Bubba. I don't even know. You're eating it funny.
Sorry, I know. It's 'cause they put the pineapple on
No, I know. My eyes burn so bad from sunscreen. I absolutely hate it. But basically, I got some crystals from the crystal shop. And I wanted to buy something here to remember the moments. My boyfriend bought me a geode, and I bought him a crystal. And I also bought myself another crystal to match. But I'll show you guys later when I open it up.
I'm changing them out.
What the heck? I'm gonna
You want me
give
to
up
like pick it for you and then you like peel it?
the last step.
Yeah.
And I pretend it was
Like
me.
I'll just pick the thing and then you can make it. But then it'll look like you did it in the video. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh. Oh my
There's
god.
melting on the bottom.
They're crystals.
Wait, she's making it like that.
It's okay. I just don't think I'd eat it myself. Crystals.
Why are there so many crystals?
Because this one's for me, and this is for me and Josh.
Just make one. Why are you breaking all the pieces?
It's because it's like dirt. It's like raw.
I know what you can use.
Oh, thank you.
That's my thing from my dad.
Oh, thank you.
This is orange thing.
Where do you see the food? No.
In the car.
Same. Hi. It's cold, and I was promised a sunset. There was no sunset. The sun is just gone.
There was no sunset.
I hate you, Austin.
I peed in the forest.
Yeah.
Is this for your vlog?
Yeah.
Hi.
Maybe. Can't even see anything though. Oh my god, is that fog? That's crazy. It looks like I'm in a freaking cyclone. Or whatever, like a tornado. Anyways, look at why did you guys grab like the most giant branches ever?
Because we just saw it, so we grabbed it.
I see.
Really? Actually, wait, that's sick, right?
The sand is so soft.
There we go.
Wow, my feet are so white. Wait, I hope it'd be kind of funny if you fell. Are you Michael Jackson? Oh. Whoa.